ekyo kye nasigaze n'okunsi kye nasigaze n'okunsi ekyo kye nasigaza kye nasigaza ekyo kye nasigaza kye nasigaza haleluya ekyo kye nasigaza Swade swade nombike ekitiibwa kyo kye nasigaze n'okunsi nasigaza kukwagala nali musiru nga sitegeera n'ofuuka amagezi gange kye nasigaza kankwagale hallelujah ekyo kye nasigaza n'omutima gwange n'emmeeme yange n'amaanyi gange n'ebyange kankwagale n'omutima gwange ayayaya kankwagale n'omutima gwange n'amaanyi gange kankwagale n'omutima gwange kye nasigaze n'okunsi nasigaza kye nasigaze let me hear the congregation kye nasigaze ddala ofaanana otya gwe atonda eggulu buli kimu kye watonda dadi kyewuunyisa laba ebire ssebo gye wabiteeka ayi ssebo ekitiibwa kigwanira gwe ddala ofaanana otya gwe atonda eggulu buli kimu kye watonda dadi kyewuunyisa laba ebire kale gye wabiteeka aya ayi ssebo ekitiibwa ogulumizibwe aye yatonda omuti yimusedde boziryo etakoma leero oyimusibwe wasaana ekitiibwa ayaya nange nkozesa eddoboozi tata ogulumisibwe Haleluya, omutukuvu atudde ku namulonde takoma tata yimusibwa before your throne, worship at your feet. We bow before your throne. You're the glorious God. We bow before your throne and worship at your feet. We bow before your throne. You're the glorious God. Everybody say, hey, yes, we bow. You're the glorious God. We come before you and we join the angels. Yes, you are holy. You are holy. You are holy. You're the glory. Now, this is the time where you get intimate with God. Like the sounds of many waters, let our worship rise to God. It's not about the song, neither is it about the melody. This is the time where you open up your mouth and tell him, Father, you are holy. God, you are holy. Let's raise our voice. Let's raise our voice. Let's raise our voice. He's been a good Father. He's been a faithful God. He's been one who never changes. He's been one who has kept his word. God, you are holy. Father, you are worthy. God, you are holy. Father, you are worthy. Jesus, we receive our worship. Let your worship rise. Let your worship rise. How can we be silent after all that he has done? How can we be silent? How can we be silent? How can we be silent? How can we be silent about this great God? How can we be silent about this holy God?